Radio station.
Remember, everything in life happens for a reason. Good days tell you that life is beautiful. Bad days tell you that there is more to learn.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Praise the Lord everywhere you are. As we promised that today on the Monday we'll do our first lesson on the life lessons. So today is Monday. So let's go with our life lessons. I'll give you life lessons most of the time, all the time, which is Monday and Fridays, right? So today we are going with episode 1 for the life lessons. You can find us again on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and on TikTok, also on WhatsApp. So we will be assisting you everywhere. So our first lesson for today, to our program, the life lessons, it goes like this. I will read. Then after I read, I will explain. I'm doing this in English so that everyone can understand what I'm saying. Everyone all over the world can understand this. Because if I use my language, you maybe want those lessons, but you can't understand what I'm saying, right? So I just use international language that everyone uses, which is English. So it goes like this. The most important thing I have learned so far in this journey of my life: don't try to be successful by others. You have nothing, so you must not try to force things. You got nothing today and tomorrow, but the day after they will be bright. Don't cry for what is not yours. Not everything that you want, it will be the way I want. Learn to be patient. Your time is coming. Never try to beg those I see that they won't take you anywhere. Always thank God with what you have, cause there are people out there that they don't have what you have. And teach yourself to do everything on your own. It's not like those you beg will always be in your life. It may be hard today, but try again tomorrow. These are different. Word for today. Love you all. In short, we try to mean just be grateful for what you have. Just be grateful for who you are. Don't wish to have something that others have. Just thank God that at least I have 1 cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of maize meal. Someone out there, they don't have what you have. Someone out there wish to be on your level. So at that time, just be grateful for what you have at that time. Because if you wish to be on top, like if you wish to have millions, that will lead you to where? Temptation. After the temptation, they will lead you to where? To do a ritual money, to have ritual money, which is not bad. Which is bad. That is evil ways. Then you end up killing a family one by one until everyone died. Is it? So what we're saying that is that just be grateful of the small thing that you have. Someone use Mobicel, someone use itel, someone use iPhone, someone use Samsung, someone use Techno, but you are all communicating. So just be grateful for the small thing that you have, and don't just sleep and you think you will ask your help from your family members. You ask help from your friends. Do things by your own. You fail today, you see the mistake that make you to fail today. Tomorrow, do not repeat the same mistake that made you to fail today. Tomorrow, you have another strategy to go and try another strategy until you win. You may lose today, but tomorrow you won't lose. I'm not saying about tomorrow of tomorrow. I'm saying tomorrow, maybe after 3 years, after 4 years, after 5 years, after several years. But do not give up and do not depend on someone else. You are the owner. You are the president. You are the steering of your life. No one. Your parents did their part to give birth on you and raise you. So now you are on your own. So that's the word for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel, FTMU Radio Station, Flavors Touch Studios Entertainment, Moyo Unendoro TV, and T-Boy Killer channels. You get go to YouTube and write T-Boy Killer 2001 official. So guys, thank you, bless you, keep on supporting. Don't forget guys to click the bell. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, also share. Don't forget about everything those, so that we can be together. Don't. I repeat many times. Don't compare yourself with others. This is life, not comparison. Do not compare. Live what you have.